Travailler pas hier. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jake, and today I'm gonna show you guys the update, or the 1 week update progress of the car. So when we got the car, I showed you guys the first video, like the first 2 days when we got the car, or something like that. I think, yeah, it was like the first 2 days that we had the car. And I'm gonna show you guys 1 week progress of the car. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing you'll notice is there's paint on the fenders, and it's actual paint. The only reason we had to throw the paint was because we had it in a can and we didn't want it to rot or anything, so we threw it on the car. Now the thing is, the paint ran a little bit right here. The paint ran right here, and then in the back, you guys remember the back was all crashed. You can't even tell the back is painted. The back fades into the body, like, at all. The only reason you can tell right now is because it's dirty as hell. Like, look at that. And yeah, I kind of scratched paint right there. But yeah, the thing is right, but we just have to go back and sand right here. And here it ran. The paint gun ran in the middle of the night. We're trying to finish. The sun came down, and since where I live, it's dark. So yeah, that's painted. It's really nice. It's painted. And also the GT wing. GT wing's painted. Also, the GT wing from this car has been taken off and is for sale. So if anyone needs a GT wing, I'll sell it to you. And I'm down to make offers and stuff. I want $75 for the GT wing that I have. It's exactly like that wing, but it's a different darker blue. I want $75 for it, and I'll sell that GT wing. I have one, so if you guys want one, just hit me up in the comment section. And I will not ship it because I don't do shipping, but if you're from here in the RGV, I'll sell it to you. You know? In the RGV area. So the wing is no longer on this car. I have 2 wings for sale. I have a GT wing and a V6 wing. I want $75 for the GT wing, and I want $55 for the V6 wing. So just letting you guys know about that. Now looking at the motor is pretty much just a block now. So the upper intake and lower intake are off the car. The AC compressor is tucked to the side, and the AC compressor bracket is off. The alternator is off. Now the alternator bracket needs to come off with the forward pulley, but I need to borrow a pulley puller or rent one, which is not around because there's no money to do one yet. So we gotta wait to pull this pulley puller. The 2 bolts right here, the 2 bolts in here, and then this will come off. And then just disconnect the sensor in there, disconnect the sensor in there, and it'll just be a block. And then the motor will just be a block, disconnected from the transmission, wrap the chain around, borrow a lift, and then wrap the chain, drop the mounts, and pull the motor. And the motor will be out, pretty much. And that's where the car is at right now. So the car's motor is torn down already. There's a new interior of this car is still beat up. And I have to buy an airbag because this thing has no airbag, so I'm gonna need to buy an airbag. And this new piece right here. So the interior we haven't really touched yet. By this still. I transferred over my bezel, and my two AC vents. So I'm just gonna put them in eventually, and that'll be something I fix on the interior. Just put the vents in. They're black. I mean, they're painted black. So you guys can tell they're painted black because the old car, my other car, had an interior swap with paint where you just pulled everything out and paint it, interior paint. And I mean, it's not that noticeable. This is what, charcoal black. It's not that noticeable. Charcoal black, and then bam, charcoal black. So I mean, if I can find a car to interior swap this car after this car gets running, I'll go with a full charcoal interior swap. Because I'm not digging the tan, the gray. So if I can interior swap this car and find a full interior swap, I'll be down to do that. I just need the money. Glove box is still good. Yeah, and just gotta fix all the small things inside, the interior scale on the inside. So yeah, I apologize for the mess in my room. I am a normal teenager. The room is a mess, and yeah, I have the two wings for sale. I'll show you guys the wings for sale in a bit, but I'm gonna show you guys the other parts we got. So in my room, I have the original alternator. I got a brand new bumper. So there's a brand new bumper. That's the wrapping that it came in. It's a brand new bumper. All I gotta do is do some cutting to this bumper. I gotta do some cutting down here to make room for the fog lights when I can save up some money and buy fog lights, or maybe my dad will buy me fog lights. It's just because he's been helping me. He's been paying. Him and my mom have been paying for a lot of things, so they're helping out. And then we got bezel. The headlight bezel is still wrapped, brand new. It's in here. The headlight bezel. So, yep. It's pretty much the progress of the car. Yeah, I believe. So yeah. So here's the V6 wing. This is the one I want 55 for. And then under it is the GT wing. That's the one I want 75 for. I don't ship. I'm not gonna ship. But if you're from the RGB and you're needing one of these, I got you. Just, I'll sell them to you. If you need one, just drop a comment down below and we'll go from there. It's your boy Jake. Sorry, this video is a short video. I apologize for a short video. But yeah, I have a couple video ideas coming out soon, and I hope to help you guys out. I'll let you guys know on those two video ideas soon, but they're basically mods that you should do to 1999 to 2004 V6 Mustangs. And I mean actual mods, not like those that YouTuber bullshit where they're like, oh, you should put decals, oh, you should change the cup holders, oh, you should do the double din, single din to a double din. Nah, I mean like actual mods that will help a V6 perform better. Maybe not power wise, but just perform better. But yeah, guys, it's your boy Jake signing out. Have a good one, take care, and peace.